Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna show you how I grip plaits in. I want to show an easy way to grip the plaits in. So I'm gonna separate it in three, and you see I'm drawing a triangular in the middle. See, it's gonna be the triangular in the middle, and then we have the two sides. So you're gonna go ahead and separate the hair off 1/3 and fold it over as a T and grip it with the pointer finger and the thumb and the ring finger and the middle finger, and take the pointer finger through. Okay, and we're gonna go ahead and grip the middle, add the right side to the right side and the left side to the left side, and we're gonna start our plait. And once you cornrow it down further enough, you'll flip it over and you're gonna plait it down. So while editing this, I noticed that I actually stopped and took the plait loose because I didn't like the grip at the scalp. Although it's harder to grip a mannequin's head because it doesn't have the stretch of skin, I still wasn't happy with that, but also I changed the way I part it. So see, I'm parting the triangle at the top. See, it's an upside down triangle. So we're gonna separate 1/3 off and fold it over as a T, grip it with the pointer finger and the thumb, the middle finger and the ring finger, and take the pointer finger through. The pointer finger right there, through. Pointer finger through, pointer finger through. Okay, and we're gonna still grip the top of the triangle. We're gonna grip that as one, add the one side, the right side, and now we're gonna add the left side, and we're gonna go ahead and plait our plait. And we're gonna go ahead and flip it over, and we're gonna plait it down, and I'm very happy with this. The hair that I'm using is the Outre Expression pre-stretched, and this is, I believe it's the 42 inch. It's shorter because I wanted to use this just for demonstration. However, I typically like to use, I believe it's the 52 inch. So I'm gonna go ahead and repeat this because I want you guys to really see, how I do it. And we're gonna do it the same way. The triangle, see, it's an upside down triangle. Okay, and we're gonna go ahead and separate our hair off. Take the 1/3 and we're gonna make it the T, fold it over and grip it. Pointer finger, thumb, ring finger, middle finger, clamp it in between all of those. Pointer finger, take it through and grip the top triangular piece right there. We're gonna start with that piece. Go around once, add the right side in between the pointer finger and the thumb, and then the left side in between the right there. And we're gonna continue our plait. And then we're gonna flip it over and we're gonna plait it down. I like the Outre Expression here because it's soft and it seems a little bit lighter than the Yaki perm that I was using before. And it seems just more smoother for your braids, so you have less trimming. Okay, and so we're gonna go ahead and do the last one because I just want you guys to see it. We're gonna do the same thing, the upside down triangle at the top. And that's gonna be the first part. We're gonna actually grip in. And so you're gonna fold it over the same exact way, you guys. And you see me just adding a little bit of gel. That's the jam that I was speaking of, the shine jam in the red, and fold it over. And we're gonna grip it in the same way. We're gonna grip the top triangular upside down triangle first. Add the right side, and then add the left side. I know you guys have it by now. I hope this video helped. If it did, give me a like and subscribe.